Thomas Jeffrey Hanks, born July 9, 1956, is an American actor and filmmaker. Known for both his comedic and dramatic roles, he is one of the most popular and recognizable film stars worldwide and is regarded as an American cultural icon. Hanks is ranked as the fourth highest-grossing American film actor. His numerous awards include 2 Academy Awards, 7 Emmy Awards, and 4 Golden Globe Awards. He has also been nominated for 5 BAFTA Awards and a Tony Award. He received the AFI Life Achievement Award in 2002, the Kennedy Center Honor in 2014, the Presidential Medal of Freedom in 2016, and the Golden Globe Cecil B. DeMille Award in 2020. Hanks rose to fame with leading roles in the comedies Splash 1984, The Money Pit 1986, Big 1988, and A League of Their Own 1992. He won 2 consecutive Academy Awards for Best Actor, playing a gay lawyer suffering from AIDS in Philadelphia in 1993, then the title character in Forrest Gump 1994. Hanks has collaborated with Steven Spielberg on 5 films such as Saving Private Ryan 1998, Catch Me If You Can 2002, The Terminal 2004, Bridge of Spies 2015, and The Post 2017, and 3 World War II themed miniseries, Band of Brothers 2001, The Pacific 2010, and Masters of the Air 2024. He has also frequently collaborated with directors Ron Howard, Nora Ephron, and Robert Zemeckis. Hanks cemented his film stardom with lead roles in the romantic comedies Sleepless in Seattle 1993 and You've Got Mail 1998. The dramas Apollo 13 1995, The Green Mile 1999, Castaway 2000, Road to Perdition 2002, Cloud Atlas 2012, and News of the World 2020. And the biographical dramas Charlie Wilson's War 2007, Captain Phillips 2013, Saving Mr. Banks 2013, Sully 2016, A Beautiful Day in the Neighborhood 2019, and Elvis 2022. He played the title character in the Robert Langdon series 2006 to 2016 and voiced Sheriff Woody in the Toy Story franchise 1995 present and multiple roles in the Polar Express 2004. Hanks directed and acted in That Thing You Do 1996 and Larry Crown 2011. Hanks was born in Concord, California, on July 9, 1956, to hospital worker Janet Marilyn and itinerant cook Amos Bud Hanks. His mother was from a Portuguese family. Their surname was originally Fraga. His father had English ancestry, and through his line, Hanks is a distant cousin of Nancy Hanks and her son President Abraham Lincoln and children's host Fred Rogers, who Hanks has portrayed in a film role. Hanks' parents divorced in 1960. Their three oldest children, Sandra, later Sandra Hanks Benoit, a writer, Larry, who became an entomology professor at the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign, and Tom, went with their father, while the youngest, Jim, who also became an actor and filmmaker, remained with their mother in Red Bluff, California. In his childhood, Hanks' family moved often. By age 10, he had lived in 10 different houses. Hanks is often compared to James Stewart and has also frequently been referred to as America's dad. In 2013, when he was starring in Nora Ephron's Lucky Guy on Broadway, he had crowds of 300 fans waiting for a glimpse of him after every performance. This is the highest number of expectant fans post-show of any Broadway performance. Hanks is ranked as the 5th highest all-time box office star in North America, with a total gross of over $4.9 billion at the North American box office, an average of $100.8 million per film. Worldwide, his films have grossed over $9.96 billion. Asteroid 12,818 Tom Hanks is named after him. In 2003, Hanks was voted number 3 in Channel 4's countdown of the 100 greatest movie stars of all time. And he is number 22 on VH1's list of the 200 greatest pop culture icons of all time. He was included on Forbes' list of the top 10 most powerful celebrities in the world in 2000, 2002, and 2003. Hanks married American actress Samantha Lewis 1950 to 2002 in 1978. They had one son, actor Colin, and one daughter, Elizabeth. Hanks and Lewis divorced in 1987. Lewis died in 2002 at the age of 49 from bone cancer. In 1981, Hanks met actress Rita Wilson on the set of the TV comedy Bosom Buddies 19801-982. They were reunited in 1985 on the set of Volunteers. Wilson is of Greek and Bulgarian descent and a member of the Greek Orthodox Church. Before marrying her, Hanks converted to her faith. Hanks and Wilson married in 1988 and have 2 sons. Their older son, Chet, released a rap song in 2011 and had recurring roles in Empire and Shameless. Their younger son, Truman, was born in 1995 and portrayed the younger version of his father's character in A Man Called Otto 2022. In October 2013, on Late Show with David Letterman, Hanks said he has type 2 diabetes. The CBS News medical contributor said significant weight fluctuations for various film roles such as A League of Their Own and Castaway might have contributed to the diagnosis. In a 2018 interview, Hanks further attributed his condition to a combination of genetics and lifestyle choices. He has since made lifestyle changes to manage his condition, such as maintaining a healthier diet and avoiding film roles that require drastic weight changes. On December 27, 2019, the president of Greece, Prokopis Pavlopoulos, signed an honorary naturalization order for Hanks and his family, citing their exceptional services to Greece, thus making him and his immediate family Greek citizens. Hanks, along with Wilson and their children, were conferred honorary citizenship for their role in bringing global attention and appealing for aid after a devastating wildfire that ripped through the seaside village of Mati, near Athens, in July 2018, which killed more than 100 people. Greece's Interior Minister Takis Theodorakakos said Hanks showed real interest in the people who suffered from the fire in Mati and promoted this issue in the global media. In July 2020, Hanks and Wilson were photographed with their Greek passports alongside the Prime Minister of Greece, Kyriakos Mitsotakis, and his wife. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.